So guys, here is my 4K £500 vlogging kit with Canon EOS M50, the 15 to 45mm kit lens. I'm actually very impressed with this so far. This is the first video I'm shooting on this kit. I've got the Rode videomicro on top, which is this one. Really impressed. I never thought I would be as much as this. And on the KNF tripod I've got the SD card, 64 gig fast SD card in it. It's worked like a magic. Everything was very easy to set up, didn't take me very long. Very straightforward, worked straight away. I'm very happy with the lens, looks clean and clear, there's no dust, there's no scratches on it. For £59 I think it's a steal. And the camera, the price I got it for, it's just, I can't believe myself, even I couldn't get one for the second-hand one for the same price. So I will be taking it out and doing few more shots, try it out, put it through its pace, and if you have any suggestion, any advice, do let me know. And if you are going for the same kit, want to get one like this, and if you need any further advice, want to share any thoughts on this, please put it in the comment box below. Please subscribe, please like and share this video if you don't like anything about it. As I said, I'm a new vlogger, just started out, so do be part of my journey. So looking forward to see you on the next one. Happy days.